In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT-4 with images. Imagine being able to not only chat with an advanced AI, but also interact with it visually. That's what we're exploring today. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open ChatGPT. If it's your first time using this platform, make sure you're logged in and all set up. Once you've got the page open, it's time to start a new chat session. This ensures that everything you're working on is fresh, and you have a clean slate to stage your commands and inputs. Now, take a look towards the bottom where your chat box is. You'll notice a plus icon right beside it. This feature is your gateway to uploading images. By clicking on this plus icon, you activate additional options that allow for more than just text interaction. Next, from the expanded menu, you'll see an image upload button. This is the star of the show today, enabling you to bring images into the conversation. Go ahead and click that button. It will open up a dialog box prompting you to select an image from your device. Make sure the image you choose is clear and relevant to the context of your ongoing discussion with ChatGPT. This is crucial because the AI will use visual cues from the image to better understand and respond to your requests. Once you've selected your image, it's time to add a prompt. This can be thought of as the magic words that tell ChatGPT what you want to know or discuss about the picture you've uploaded. Type your prompt in the chat box. The more descriptive, the better. This gives the AI more context and helps it formulate a more accurate and detailed response. For example, if you've uploaded a photo of a beautiful sunset, you might ask, describe the colors in this sunset. After typing out your prompt, don't forget to press enter or hit the send button. This cues the AI to process your image and input together, providing a response based on what it sees and what you've asked. It's a seamless integration of visual and textual communication. Using ChatGPT-4 with images opens up a world of possibilities. It enhances interaction by allowing the AI to understand and respond in more depth. Whether you're analyzing data, learning about art, or just having fun, this feature can significantly enrich your experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore and experiment with this tool. The more you use it, the more proficient you'll become in crafting interactions that leverage both visual and textual elements. See you in the next video.